Well, although we all love spreadsheets, one of the biggest issues that we had was the inability to really account for all of the detail that goes into our budgets.
Our organization was facing the issue of using Excel files for budget compilation. So using Questica has allowed us to fully integrate the files so that we don't have to do as much upload and download of material. So it's just streamlined our budgeting process.
A lot of spreadsheets, a lot of emails, and just trying to corral all that information into one place where everyone could really have a good look at it. I think Questica has really helped us to amalgamate all of that information into one place for all of our departments to be able to, have a good look at and a thorough review of.
Going back to Excel, that is a very manually intensive process that took hours every year to reconfigure and move spreadsheets around. With Questica, it's an automated process and we're right back to it. So immediately back to budget prep the minute after you finish this year.
The ability to have the data online and accessible 24/7. So with Questica, any of our users can access the information directly from any device they are using.
Communication with the management team. We no longer have to send out emails, spreadsheets, weekly reports. They are able to access Questica themselves and help themselves.
All the feedback from our managers and users has been extremely positive. They've loved using the software and found it was substantially easier than using the Excel spreadsheets that we previously used, and just the ability for them to change data and not have to try and give us a new version or us wondering if it's the latest version.
A higher degree of engagement from our teams is what we've really recognized since we've rolled it out to all of our departments. They're able to really discern where they're at with their budgets and just have a more efficient planning process throughout the entire organization.
It's been a great implementation for our organization to use and helped bring us forward into the new digital age of software.
The essence of time savings. So rather than dealing with spreadsheets and reconfiguring and rolling forward year after year every time there's a new cycle, Questica automates that process, and the minute you're done one year, you're set and ready to go on to the next one. So the time savings is just unexplainable.